Hi everyone! I'm sure by now a lot of you know that my favorite color is Holbein's Marine Blue that used to be made with the single pigment PB16 Phthalo Turquoise, and that they've changed the formula to PB16 and PG7. Well, today I had some errands to run and happened upon this art shop. This was their Holbein display. And guess what? They still have the single pigment in stock. So if you're in the area, you can go check it out. I didn't get anything because I have lots of tubes of Phthalo Turquoise alternatives, and I still have my big tube of Holbein that I haven't used up yet. Just trying to do my best to exercise responsible spending. I also saw this shop selling some facial treatment tools, and well, do you see what I see? Don't they look like tiny paint maulers? They're so adorable. I was gonna get the pink one, but sadly it was convex and not flat, so sadly I didn't get it. Anyway, that's pretty much all I have to share for today. A short video, but I'm glad I was able to take you all out with me, even if it was for a little bit. As always, thank you so much for watching everyone. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated.